Here I have OnePlus 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find button Do Not Disturb. By tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger and you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it. You can add exceptions to this mode, like you can allow notifications, you can allow messages. The same goes for contacts. There is also an option ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.